Hi, today I'm going to show you how to connect Grok to Base44. So in order to do this, first of all navigate to Base44 and log in using your user credentials. After you do this, click on the integrations tab at the top and click on search integration and search for Grok. So search for Grok, click on Grok and you'll be taken to this page. Here, you can see the Grok API integration connects your Base44 app to XAI's powerful Grok model. So you can click on use this integration button that will be available just right here. But as you can see, this integration requires backend functions, a feature available only on builder tier and above. So simply click on your profile icon at the top right, click on settings, now choose plan and billing and you'll be given 4 options. Make sure you choose builder or above like starter. So choose any one of these, click on upgrade. You'll be taken to this page where you'll have to simply click on subscribe to builder or a starter, then click on continue to checkout, then complete the payment. After you complete the payment, you'll be successfully able to click on this button that is use this integration. Once you upgrade your account and click this, you'll be easily able to connect Grok with Base44. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.